This is the truck that we got in for today. 2022 GMC AT4, all blacked out. We're doing the all black 9-inch FTS. And then he brought some 26x14s, Archons, and 37s for us to put on, which is super cool. Long bed, kind of skeptical there. And he's probably gonna be watching this like, dang, really, the long bed? But I did notice when they pulled it in last night that he's got the LED side markers, which is cool. But we're going black on black today. So should be a nice one. I'm really excited. It's been a week or two since we've done something like this. You know, you start getting into the winter months and things slow down, but we've still been cranking out some good stuff. Mr. Player from Louisiana was fun, and you know, we've definitely had a couple of nice builds come through, but I'm ready to get back to some 26s and 9-inch lifts. Oh, it's a beautiful day at the shop. The rain, the fog is gone, freaking finally. It's been raining and nasty for the last week and I'm freaking tired of it. But it's finally gone and we can have a good day today at the shop. It's for you. I said this. You'll see it in the video yesterday. Right? I went and I bought this at Target the other day. I've been having fun with it. We actually played with it last night before we all left.
Obviously, you finna mess up the rails, man.
No. I'll give you some practice shots, but you get 3 shots. If you make 1, you get $20 off. If you make 2, I said 40 yesterday. If you make 2, you get 50 off. And if you make 3, you get $100 off.
Shit. I'm gonna f this up.
Just cause. I'll give you a couple practice shots, but I felt like it was, we had the idea yesterday and I figured it was something fun to do. So, and I've never done it, but everybody now is gonna be like, hey man, can we do that?
Let me play.
I feel like everybody's gonna do it now, but I felt like it was good. You can take some practice shots.
That motherfucker?
No.
Where I gotta stand there, right?
You can take some practice shots. I
gotta stand back here?
Yeah, just kind of anywhere back here, yeah.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Take some practice shots. I'm not like cruel.
Chalk it up as a L, man.
Look, hey, he might make it.
Hey, you can't be bricking him, man. You gotta get straight.
He might make it.
Trying to use the backboard.
How many practice shots should I give him?
70.
70?
Right.
One show?
That's crazy.
I feel like Brandon might get mad at me.
Exactly.
See? Pressure might be on. He's in the hot seat.
That shit harder than what you think it is.
It's makeable though.
Somebody back there is steady waiting, like, ready to go. I'll give you one more.
That's just like
One more crack shot.
when we go
I feel like you can do it. I'm rooting for you. You get 3 shots.
Are you ready?
Let's see it. Oh, that's not even my money, and I'm like, trusting my. Oh, here, I'll give you one more.
That's fucked up.
I'll take $20 off anyway. Since you were a good contestant, I was kind of hoping you'd make one. And do fun.
Balls, man.
I'll still take like 20 off, but if any of you guys come and y'all want to play the game, you got to catch me on a good day. I'm not gonna offer it to everybody, but maybe I will, because maybe y'all won't make it either. But I'm still gonna throw a little discount in there because so he's gonna be back in the morning to come pick the truck up on his way out of town, and I think I'm gonna give him a couple extra shots in the morning when he comes back, because I feel like I came up with this great idea and then he wasn't able to capitalize, and I kind of feel bad. So maybe I'll give him a couple extra shots in the morning.
But my man's got a freaking full tank of gas too.
Got a full tank of gas in this thing? I haven't had a full tank of gas in like 15 years. Because I like your truck and I want to put it on YouTube. Is that a problem?
No, it's not. I like you.
I'll put you on YouTube. It is a nice look. You got a McGoy's kit. I gotta show love. Look at that. Bang.
It's a 6-flow, but it's a diesel.
So?
Yeah,
I gotta show love to the McGoy's kits when they come through the shop. Because you have fun in this thing. That's why.
I went through it twice because I had to go pressure wash.
It's a diesel. It's a diesel. Look, you got the McGoy's kit, so I love it. And it's silver, even though my truck's not silver anymore. This is what my truck could have been.
I'm thinking I'll put a red lift kit on it.
If it was new. A red lift kit? Please do it. Please put a red lift kit on it. Nathan, put a red lift kit on it. He probably don't watch. He probably don't watch the video, so he probably ain't never gonna see it. I like the truck, so I want to put it on YouTube.
If I'm gonna put a red lift kit on it, I'm gonna
do it. You won't. No balls. No balls. We gotta show that off real quick. So these wheel lights, whenever he hits the brake, so it's blue when his foot's not on the brake, and when he hits the brake, the wheel lights turn yellow. Look, so his foot's on the brake right now, so they're yellow, right? He take his foot off the brake, make it blue, and then the left turn signal, right turn signal. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. So his wheel lights are hooked up to the brake light and the turn signals on this. And first and foremost, that's the coolest thing about this truck to me. And this kit that he got off Amazon somewhere, I don't even know what brand it is. We just put them on for him. 2022 GMC 2500 up for Mr. Smith today. We did that 9-inch FTS lift. Absolutely beautiful. Love the design of the FTS lifts. And obviously all of their 9-inch lifts with the 2500s, they recommend the upper control arms. So we did the matching upper control arms with them. 26x14 Archon Lincoln, and he's got some really nice. We were just talking about how like long these are. The spikes that we sell normally aren't this long, but these have like a longer point on them, and they look really good, to be honest. And the truck isn't 100% finished up. So we're missing center caps on some, we're missing a couple of valve sims, but it's getting late in the day and I wanted to make sure to film it. So super nice, love the spike lug nuts, 37, 14, 50, 26 Venom RTs, beautiful alternative for the Ridge Grappler that they don't make in the bigger sizes. I'm absolutely in love with the way that this truck turned out. One of the biggest things about this truck that is one of the most skeptical things is, look how long that dang thing is. That long bed is a little bit different, but with how big the lift kit is, I think the size of the lift kit matches how long the truck is. I think it turned out pretty good. I don't think a lot of people would realize this is a long bed unless you said anything, but I want to make sure to film it before he comes and picks it up in the morning. We got such great light. Turned out to be such a beautiful day. The fog and the rain is gone. It's about 70 degrees outside. We're out here just having a good time chasing this bread. Michael, I love your truck. It turned out great. I can't wait for you to come get it in the morning. Let's get this bread. We haven't cut it yet. But you see, I got the brake on, the orange, and then when he lets go, it's blue. That's so cool.
Your call has been forwarded.
Herm, what up, buddy? Herm, get up, man. Herm, I need you to. Herm, I need you to clean up the floors, bro. What are you doing? Stop laying around. I know that you like napping dirt. Get up, come on. I need you to help clean the floors, Herm. Get up. Nap time's over. I'm over here getting buckets all day long. Herm's sleeping on the job.
Pretty sure the ball.
Really? You think so? Herm, get up, buddy. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? We got the truck finished up. He's on the way to come get it. Look, I hope you have a safe drive home. I hope you enjoy the truck. This is probably one of the coolest sets of wheel lights that I've ever put on a truck. To me, that's definitely the feature that stands above the rest, other than the beautiful 9-inch FTS lifted at 26x14s. But hey, it's finished, ready to go. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get this bread.